Hi everyone, thanks for joining our Agrimaster tutorial. Today I'll be going through setting up new major headings and group headings. So to begin, we'll just open up our Agrimaster, and when we're on the home screen, we just want to go into Setup and Tools, Cashbook Setup, and then Codes. So on the left hand side we can see our code hierarchy. Before entering a code, you need to enter a major heading and a group heading. So you'll notice here I've got a major heading, and then underneath my major headings I have group headings, and underneath the group headings I have codes. So major headings are used to categorize group headings, and group headings are used to categorize codes. So now I'll show you an example of how to make a major heading and then a group heading underneath it. So say I want to make a major heading to appear just above this income. We have to click below where we want to put the major heading. So I'll click income, and then I'll click the new code button. And then I first want to make sure I select the right one. So I'll click major heading. And here I'll just put major heading. And then I'll make this a receipt. So that means income. I'll green tick this. And you'll notice the major heading is here. And you can always tell a major heading by how far left it's indented. So now for the group heading, I'm just going to click underneath it again. Then I'll click group heading. And then I'll just put group. And again, I'll make sure receipt's ticked. I'll click the green tick, and you'll notice it comes up under the major heading, group heading. And so now we've got our major heading and our group heading. We can input some codes, but that's a bit more intricate, so we'll talk about that in our next video. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help articles or book a one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Have a great day.